children. Today we are going to see Class 6 Sanskrit New NCERT Syllabus Deepakam Book Lesson 7 Saptamaha Pataha. The name of the lesson is Aditi Devo Bhava. Aditi, guest. Devo, God. Bhava, the guest or considered to be God. So this is the meaning of the chapter. Let's go to the lesson. Bharatiya Sanskritau Adithinam Nitharam Mahatvam Asti. In Indian culture, Adithinam, for the guest, Nitharam, constant, Mahatvam, importance. So in our Indian culture, there is a constant importance for the guest. Aditi Devo Bhava iti Upanishataha Vachanam Asti. Aditi Devo Bhava iti. This quote is there in the Upanishataha. Upanishataha Vachanam. Vachanam is quote. This quote is given in Upanishad. Asmakam deshe na kevalam manishyaha apitu anya praninah api aditi bhavane pujyante. Asmakam deshe, in our country, na kevalam manishyaha, not only human beings are considered to be guests, apitu anya praninah, also other living beings, api also aditi bhavane pujyanti, or served or treated as guest. Aditi seva Panjamahayangeshu Antarbhavati. Aditi Seva, the service to the guest, is under the 5 great sacrifices. Panjamahayangeshu. Aditi Devo Bhava iti vachanene Aditi Sevayaha Bhavaha Sarveshu Jagritaha. Aditi Devo Bhava iti vachanene. This quote, that is Aditi Devo Bhava, this quote, Aditi Sevayaha Bhavaha, the feeling of hospitality, Sarveshu Jagratihi, awakens everybody. This quote is awakening everybody to do hospitality to the guest. Tadrishaha kaschanaha prasangaha atra phate darshitaha. Tadrishaha, like this. Kaschana prasangaha, one such case, Atra phate darshitaha, is given in this lesson. Tadrishaha kaschana prasangaha atra phate darshitaha. So let's see the lesson. Radhika eshu dhineshu kurdhamana eva chalati. So Radhika is the given character in this lesson. So now we are going to talk about Radhika. Radhika eshu dhineshu, that is nowadays, these days. Radhika eshu dhineshu kurtamana, that is jumping. Eva chalati, she is jumping these days. Jumping here means that Radhika is very happy. Okay. Radhika eshu dhineshu kurtamana eva chalati. Yataha grihe nudanaha adityaha santi. Yataha, that is because grihe, in her house, nudanaha, that is new, adityaha, guest, santi, there. So nowadays, because what they said, Radhika is jumping nowadays because in her house new guests are there. Techa vishishtaha sandhi, they are very distinctive also. Matha putrau putrayo cha militva te tatra pancha santhi. So who are they? Matha, that is mother, putrau, sons, putrau, daughters, cha militva, together, te tatra pancha santi, they are 5 in numbers. Ahoratram tasyaha chinta ekatra eva. Ahoratram is day and night, tasyaha is her. So day and night, her, chinta, thought, ekatra eva, only one. So day and night, Radhika's thought is only one. Grihasya chadyaha upari, that is on the roof of her house. Upari is on, chadya is roof, grihasya is in the house. Her only thought is on the roof of her house. Let us see what is there on the roof. Tatra eva tasyaha manaha hasti. Tatra, there, eva, only, tasyaha, her, manaha hasti. Her mind is there only. Kuduhalam hasti ke te ithi. Kuduhalam is curious. So she is very curious. Ke te ithi. Ke is who, te ithi, who are they. So Radhika nowadays is very happy because a new guest that is new and distinctive guest is there in her house. Who are they? Matha, Putra, that is mother, daughter and son. Day and night her thought is only one, that is on the roof of her house. On the roof of her house only her mind is there. And also she is very curious. Who are they? Te na anye kachit marjari tasyaha chatvarah shavakaha cha. Te na anye. They are none other than kachit marjari. It is one cat and tasyaha and her, that cats, chatvarah, 4, shavakaha, kitten. Now who is there on the roof of the house? A cat and her 4 kittens. Te eva vishishtaha adityaha. Yes, they are the distinctive guest. Satu tesham namani api chintatavati. Tanvi, Mrithvi, Shabalaha, Bhimaha cha iti. Sa, that is she, that is here Radhika. Tesham namani, their names. Api chintavati, also she has thought over. She has also thought over their names also. The names are Tanvi, Mrithvi, Shabalaham, Bhimaham cha iti. Tanvi Akritya Sundari. The Tanvi kitten is very slender in figure, very beautiful in figure. Her figure is very beautiful. Mrithvi Sparshena Athiva Komala. Mrithvi, the named cat like Mrithvi. That cat, the Mrithvi cat is, kitten is, Sparshena. To touch it is very soft. Adhiva is very Komala, tender, is very tender to touch. Shabalaha Chitravarnaha, and Shabalaha kitten is very colorful. Tatacha Bhimaha, and also Bhim Kinchit Stulaha. Stulaha is little bit fat, little thick in the figure. So little bit thick. Bhimaha is little fat. Marjari kada gacchati kada agacchati etat sarvam api Radhika janati. That cat, that is the mother cat, kada gacchati, when it goes, kada agachati, when it comes, yatat sarvam, all these api Radhika janati, also Radhika knows. Radhika knows when the mother cat gets in and gets out. Sa marjarye shriram dathati. Radhika, that is Sa here, she, marjarye, for the cat, shriram dathati, she gives milk for the cat. Marjari pibati, that cat also drinks the milk. Anantaram sa sadhanyavadam Radhikam pashyati. After that, that is after drinking the milk, sa, this cat, she here denotes the cat. Sa sadhanyavadam, like grateful, like thanking. Radhikam pashyati, sees the Radhika with very big thanks or showing gratefulness. Kintu shavakhanam samipam Radhika gacchati chet mandam prishtataha agacchati. Though it thanks the Radhika, but Shavakhanam Samipam, near to the kittens, when Radhika goes, Radhika gacchati chet, then mandam, slowly the cat also goes at the back. Prishtataha agacchati. Radhikam drishtava Shavakaha Bhitaha na bhavanti. Seeing Radhika, Shavakaha, that the kittens are not getting afraid. Pitamahi Radhikayaha Karyakalapan Drishtava Hasati. Grandma, seeing all Radhika's activities, Hasati, she laughs at Radhika's activities. Sa Radhikam Vadati. Radhike Adityaha Kadha Agachanti iti na Janimaha. Sa, here Sa denotes grandma. The grandma says to Radhika, Radhike Adityaha, that is guest, Kada Agachati, when they come, iti na Janimaha, this we will not be knowing. Kintu yadhate atra agachanti tatha tesham yadhadrishi seva karniya. Kintu, but yadhate atra agachanti, but when they get into your house, when they come, tatha, then at that time, tesham edrishi, like this. So you have to do service, seva karniya edrishi, like this service you have to do. Radhika Pitamahya Kantham Paritah Malam Eva Hastau Sthapiyanti Prachati. Radhika Pitamahya. Radhika for the grandma Kantham Paritah around her neck. Grandma's neck, around grandma's neck. Malam Eva Hasto, like a garland, she is making her hand Sthapiyanti. She is putting her hand like a garland, like how you see in this picture. Pruchati. So she is asking, putting her hand around the neck of grandma. Astu karomi. I will do like that. Kintu kimardam. But why I should do like that? So she is asking, I will do everything like you said, grandma. But why I should do that? Matamahi vatati. Matamahi says that is grandma says that Aditi Devo Bhava. Aditi the guest or similar to God. Arthat Aditiha Asmakam Devaha Asti Iti Chintayatu. Artha, the meaning is that the guest or our God. Iti Chintayatu. You have to have this thought in you. Tasya Adharena Sevam Karotu. Tasya. You have to, that is Tasya is there. For them, Adharena, with respect, Sevam Karotu. You have to do service to them with respect. Radhika Adhinam Mantram Eva Varam Varam Vadati. Radhika for the whole day, she repeats this mantram, that is Aditi Devo Bhava, Aditi Devo Bhava. Anantram Sa Tanvi Mritvim Shabhalam Bhimam Cha Vatsalyena Vadati. After that, after repeating for the whole day, after that, what Radhika does is Tanvi Mritvi Shabhalam Bhimam, for all these kittens, Cha Vatsalyena Vadati. To them, she is in a very affectionate voice. She says to them, Jananti Kim Aditi Devo Bhava. Do you know that? Aditi Devo Bhava. Bhavantaha api vadhantu. You also repeat now. Aditi Devo Bhava. She says to the kitten, you also repeat now. And also the author says to the children listening to this, say, repeat this, Aditi Devo Bhava. Children, this is a wonderful lesson making you understand the quote, that is Aditi Devo Bhava, with a very beautiful story. Hope you all would have understood this lesson. Read this lesson one by one.